Hi everyone, BusyList here. As you can see, I'm not in the studio today, and I just wanted to make some beats. But I found out that the internal MacBook speakers are good, but not as good for playing music, so I want to hear more bass and more sounds. I figured out that I might plug in on my trustful Bose speaker, but I'll do it over Bluetooth because I don't need any more cables. Is it even possible? Can we actually do that? I'm not so sure. Let's try it out then. Okay, so let's quickly pair a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so let's play something. Wait. What? How am I supposed to play now? To be honest, with 189 milliseconds of latency, it's impossible to play to the rhythm or to the beat. Even if we turn down the amount of buffer size, it still didn't change anything. Basically 180 milliseconds. That's not gonna work. So basically, can you connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Ableton and play on it? Well, you can connect, but you cannot play on it. Basically, it's no chance to do that because of the latency. Latency gets really long in terms of Bluetooth speakers and Bluetooth headphones because the sound has to be compressed and sent over via Bluetooth link to the speaker and then uncompressed again. So that takes a little time, and we can actually measure that thanks to Ableton. And even in the shortest possible option will be around 180 milliseconds, which is still too long to be able to play and hear what we're playing. The situation is exactly the same with Bluetooth speakers. That's gonna also take too much time to transfer from your computer to your earphones and then uncompressed, and that's basically too long time to be able to play it to the beat. It was a cool experiment, but no, unfortunately it's not gonna work. Okay, it was a very dangerous experiment. I had to do it for you so you don't have to do. Okay guys, just please be safe at home and don't plug your Bluetooth speakers to the Ableton. It can, I don't know, it can end the world. Why would you waste your time doing it? Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps. And also you can have a look on my t-shirt shop, beatwearshop.com. These are nice t-shirts and all embroidered. This will not fade away. Okay, that's it from me for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.